Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new episode of the Blind Monk Show. I'm your host, Pyotr Yordanov, and in this one I want to speak about Solana because it is absolutely destroying here on the upside. As you can see, this high, it was tested once, then we came down to test this guy actually, and then like build some support, and now we're like ready to go up. And you can see that yesterday, this is the daily chart of Solana, there was a very convincing break of the upside. I mean, it's not actually very convincing, it's like, you know, a little bit of a close above it. You know, and now we have more movement to the upside, and there's a couple of ways we can project where the price can go. The first one is to say that, well, we're just gonna make a Fibonacci extension, like from here to here, boom, which essentially would be giving us an AB equals CD. Yeah, I can't really copy that. So that would take us to at least 265.97. Another way of looking at it is maybe being a little bit more conservative. We're going to say that we're going to take this leg and we're reaching 279. And last but not least, we have one more way of actually assuming that we're going to do to 2 to 1, which is going to take us to 316. I feel personally like if the price wants to go up, reaching these as objectives is a little bit conservative. We would want to have a little bit more of upside coming all the way to here. But that being said, even if it was conservative, don't forget there's always like the 2 to 1 like target. So I mean, this one can go all the way to 400. So in a way, if Solana wants to keep on going up, there's absolutely nothing stopping it from being like all the way to 400, which is right here. It might, you know, take a little bit of like work on the way up. So this is where our objective can be. You can take profit along the way. It really depends on your trade management. But the next important thing is the question, where are you going to enter? And so we could drop in on the hourly. Let's remove all these drawings right now. And there's a couple of things. Either you look at it from the 6 hours where you could see clearly that there's this level over here. So you could buy on it, which is also that. And well, right now, as we're speaking, you know, this is quite interesting because we touched the moving average. If it was me, I would be buying right here. You know, this is where my entry would be. Why? Because the price has been going up. You know, we came above the moving average. We tested once, double top, then came down here into a double bottom. And then it's like, okay, we build a lot of volume over here. And then boom, we have a very convincing move to the upside. It gets confirmed. This resistance got confirmed as support. We're coming down. And this right now is the first test. First reversal to the mean. It would be a little bit, I would say, if I'm impatient, I would buy here. If I'm a bit more conservative, I would say, well, you know what? I'm going to wait until this level. Why? Because you can add some confluence. I can bet you what, if you take this moving average, this Fibonacci, the 50%, which is the blue line, is right here, which of course has a confluence with this and a confluence with the area, which is that area. Oopsie. This area. So yeah, I just say that if you want to be a bit aggressive, you could buy here. Actually, you don't even need to go all in. You could say I'm going to go in with 25% at the moving average. I might add a little bit more over here. I might add a little bit more at the 61.8, and hoping that, you know, the price is actually going to go up. For you, if you want to put a stop loss, it's really below these guys, which is below these guys. You know, if after such a movement, after trying, you know, touching it once, twice, breaking it and going up, if after this the price returns all the way to here, oof. We're talking about a swing failure over here. You don't want to be long. You just want to cut it because most likely we're going to be revisiting 110. So that's about it. If you're a Solana trader and you take this long, best of luck. May the markets be with you. Don't forget, it's not financial advice. It's just me, like, you know, fiddling around stuff on the charts. If you make money, good for you. If you don't come suing me. I'm just a guy on YouTube. All right. With that being said, have a great day. See you next time.